So we get a few questions about Pluto and does he like other people, or am I his only chosen one? I am his chosen one. However, we worked really quite hard in the beginning for him to be happy to be around most people, and I can typically put him on someone's hand or shoulder or whatever, and he will happily go to them, and he may not be as talkative, but he's not going to bite them or anything like that, not typically anyway. But I hear a lot of Quakers will become protective of one particular person, but in our household, we've worked quite hard for him to like both of us. And I've got Jason here with him. And so we're just...
Getting my eyebrows manicured.
Yes. So we're just sitting and watching some telly, and he is sort of switching back between the both of us. And as you can see here... Hey, it's funny, isn't it? It's pretty funny. Are you being funny? Yeah? And he especially loves the fact that Jason is hairy. So, and so he will peck away at his hairs and his whiskers and his, everything. So
there's been the odd occasion where I've had little ball patches in my eyebrows because of him.
Hey?
Yeah, little plucker.
Hey? That is fun, isn't he? He is. Right. We did go through a stage where each of us weren't allowed to say certain things, and it would be pretty funny. Like Jason wasn't allowed to do some sort of whistle noise or kissy noise or something or other, and I wasn't allowed to say.
That's right. I couldn't go.
Yeah, and I wasn't allowed to say hop down, and so if he was with either of us and the other one said that, he would just chase across and.
He'd be hissing and incandescent with rage.
Yes.
And he would hold a grudge for quite a long time.
Yes, he would, and it would be like you could, 10 minutes later he would still bite you, like if you came near him. So
I call this the ice cream hold.
Oh, yep.
Yeah. Little green ice cream.
Hey. So on that, he's coming back to Daddy.
Have you got cuddles?
What you doing? What you doing in that bag? Where are you going? Oh, he's nesting. So one of the ways that we actually, I would say that we bonded most with Pluto together is Pluto loves coming in for snuggles in the bed. And he would get under the covers and he would play, and we would play hide and seek and do all of our noises and play all these games. And because Jason would be in there as well, he'd be laughing and doing it as well. And I think that really helped to build the bond between both of us, rather than it being him essentially mainly only interacting, from his cage or on a shoulder or something like that. The fact that we were all having fun in this one sort of area, I believe, sort of helped build that bond between all three of us.
Look at the bond we've got now. I mean, he's regurgitating for me. Get rid of him.
All right, you gonna say goodbye? Hey, you little monster. Aren't you? You are. You're a little monster. All right, and say bye-bye. Bye. Say bye-bye.